Hi everyone, good morning. Just here to tell you a little bit about a product that my husband recently purchased. So yesterday he went and got a tattoo, and I mean he's had quite a few of these, but this is what tattoo artist actually recommended he clean the tattoo with. He's like, go out, get some Dove soap, make sure it's unscented and the one for sensitive skin. So he recommended that, and then my husband went out and purchased this, and I use it too. I love it. So Dove soap is actually my favorite soap because it doesn't leave any kind of soap scum behind on your skin. It doesn't leave you feeling rough. It just leaves your skin feeling smooth, moisturized, and totally clean. So Dove is my favorite for so many reasons. My favorite brand of soap. I also love their shampoos, their body washes. They're just really nice. They always are they work so great, and they don't leave your skin feeling stiff and dry after. They leave it feeling actually moisturized. So that's the reason I'm such a huge fan. So it's good to know that this is what a tattoo artist is recommending, which a tattoo is actually like an open wound. So I think that says a lot about the product if they have like a tattoo artist recommending this to their customers. I think that really means a lot and says a lot about the brand. So a little bit about the product. Dove Sensitive Skin Beauty Bar is hypoallergenic. It's an unscented formula and is gentle on sensitive skin. It's the #1 dermatologist and pediatrician recommended soap, and now tattoo artist as well. With quarter moisturizing cream and mild cleansers, Dove helps your skin maintain its natural moisture. Leaves skin softer, smoother, and more radiant looking versus ordinary soap. It is proven to be more gentle and mild than ordinary soap as well. So I love this kind of soap, but they, like I said, they have so many different kinds. The sensitive formula is probably the best. My skin can be sensitive at times. That's why I like it too. Sometimes I get an eczema breakout here and there, and it doesn't irritate me at all. So you could buy these in packs. We bought I think it was an 8-bar pack. So it came with 8 bars, and they're all like individually wrapped in these boxes, which is nice. And then you just open it up and the soap's inside. It's not in like plastic or anything like that. Ooh, whoops. And then on the back here it says it's a Unilever brand. There's the number you could call, questions, comments. Unilever is in Trumbull, Connecticut, made in the USA. It just smells like regular soap because it doesn't have much of a scent since it is unscented, but I could smell like a little bit of that regular soap scent. The net weight is 4 ounces, 113 grams. You can buy a 2-pack of this as well if you don't want to get an 8-pack. Ingredients are sodium lauryl isthionate, stearic acid, lauric acid, sodium toluene or sodium palmitate, water, sodium acetylate, sodium stearate, cocamidopropyl betaine, sodium cocoate or sodium palm kernelate, dipropylene glycol, sodium chloride, tetrasodium etidonate, tetrasodium EDTA, maltol, and titanium dioxide. And I'm sorry for butchering some of those words. Sometimes they're just really hard to get through. Product description: Dove Sensitive Skin Beauty Bar brings you the classic Dove cleansers and quarter moisturizing cream in an unscented, hypoallergenic bar that's gentle enough for sensitive skin. Dermatologically tested and suitable for daily use. It can be used on your body and hands and is as great as a gentle face cleanser as well. But sensitive skincare depends on having a cleanser that truly cares for your skin and won't dry it out like ordinary soap can. Dove Sensitive Skin Beauty Bar gives you a truly mild cleansing that leaves sensitive skin feeling soft and smooth. It's not a soap, it's a beauty bar. Washing a regular soap can cause your skin to feel greatly dry and tight. What makes Dove different? It's the combination of gentle cleansers and moisturizing ingredients to help nourish skin and proven to be more gentle and mild than ordinary soap. For best results, rub your Dove Sensitive Skin Bar between your hands and spread the rich, creamy lather over your body before rinsing with warm water and enjoying your soft, smooth, cleansed skin. At Dove, our vision is a world where beauty is a source of confidence and not anxiety. So, we are on a mission to help the next generation of women develop a positive relationship with the way they look, helping them raise their self-esteem and realize their full potential. Although I agree with that statement, it's great for men too, because like I said, my husband specifically bought this. So I think it's great for men and women. And yes, I want to mention too, the rich creamy lather is awesome. it's perfect even for, like, you know, if you want to use it as for shaving, like instead of shaving cream, you could use this because it gets so creamy and rich. It's awesome. Let's see what else. The Dove Difference. Dove launched in 1957 in the US. We're the iconic Dove beauty bar, and it continues to focus on real care with products that tangibly improve the condition of skin or hair. From the beginning, Dove has drawn inspiration from real diverse women and celebrates real beauty, which it defines as feeling and looking your best. Dove is committed to helping women and girls build self-esteem, develop a healthy relationship with beauty, and reach their full potential. Through the Dove Self-Esteem Fund, the brand has provided self-esteem tools and resources to help over 11 million girls and counting. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the bar. So you know the product dimension, 7.5 by 5.6 by 2.6 inches. And I'm going to show you what the soap bar looks like. Looks like just like it does on the cover. Here is the Dove Beauty Bar. The size, it's so soft, I love it. And this is pretty much almost dry. But yes, it builds up a nice rich creamy lather. It's a really awesome product. So everyone, that was Dove Sensitive Skin Beauty Bar. I hope you try it, I hope you love it, and I hope you enjoy your skin feeling soft, smooth, and silky. Thanks for watching.